Welcome back, guys. I want to show you guys how you can convert your USDT to another cryptocurrency. So this video will be a step by step on how you can convert your USDT to Kati cryptocurrency or any other cryptocurrency you want to convert your USDT to. So let's dive in, guys. So the first thing that you're going to come and do is convert here. So but on everybody's Binance, it won't be like this. I set mine like this. So the process for you to have this on your dashboard is, firstly, you're going to come to the icon here, this Binance icon here. You click on the Binance icon, and right here you can see the shortcuts. As you can see, these are shortcuts, so you can add the shortcuts from here. So so you come to this place, you can, and you click on, you come to this place and you click on more service. So you click on more service, and you're going to see a lot of services that Binance offers. So you're going to come to search bar here and search for convert, and as you can see, it's going to pop up the convert icon right about here. So you click on the convert, and it's going to bring you this interface. So in this interface, this is where you're going to be making the convert. So first thing you're going to do on this so first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on this icon section. You're going to click on it, and it's going to tell you that you should insert the cryptocurrency you want to convert. So you click on USDT, and the down section here is where you're going to put the coin you want to convert your USDT to. So in this case, you're going to use Kati. So I'll type on Kati, and I'll click on Kati. So after choosing Kati, I'm going to insert the amount I want to convert. So I'm going to insert $5, and right here they're going to give me 10 Kati. So this is the direct exchange price, guys. I'm not paying any fee for me to convert this. So $5 is going to give me 10.9 Kati. So after that, I'm going to click on trade, and I'm going to click on confirm, and that's it, guys. I've successfully converted my USDT into Kati.